So I just wanted to tell people, to toot my own horn, is that I used to fix bikes. So when I opened the business, 17, I actually paid Mike, he's been around kind of everywhere. I paid him as a consultant to come in and watch me fix bikes, so change the batteries so I didn't die. And he would just stand and watch while I learned. And so he would kind of direct me of what to do. So battery replacements, no problem. I've not done a lithium because Darren joined five years ago, but I've changed the back motor with the tire. I did not bead the tire myself. That was really hard, but I got that thing off. But I didn't get too much into the front of the electricals because I didn't have those issues come up to the bikes coming in at that time. But yes, I do deserve credit for the fact that I have gotten my hands on these and fixed them. So when you do call, I'm not going to hand the phone over to Darren. He's booked and doing his stuff, and that's how I'm able to answer the majority of questions, is because I've actually worked on bikes, and I'm always kind of back here hanging out with you anyways. If there's something, we always talk about stuff. So it's not like I'm just at the front and you're just at the back. We talk a lot, but I got some basic knowledge. I'm very basic with like the way that I name things. Like this is still a star screwdriver, and you can't tell me anything different. It's just stuck in my old brain.
True that.
So yeah, so a little bit of cred and just getting to know me from Ride the Wind Ebikes.